Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how can you subtract days, months and years from any given date. So let's jump on to VS Code, and this thing we are doing using date. So let's go ahead and import that first. So from datetime import date, and then we need to import one more thing, which is relative delta. So that is available in dateutil dot relative data delta, and here we will call it back. So it is relative delta. Okay, once these things are done, now we need to grab input. So either you can ask from the user, or you can directly call today function, which will give you today's date. Okay, maybe we can go ahead and quickly print this out. Okay, so let me check this out first. So you can see that it is showing us today's date, which is 29th of September 2022. Now we need to, let's say you want to go 2 years back. So how can we do that? So for I'm taking another variable, updated date, and we will say today minus 2 years, so relative delta, and here you can say years equal let's say 2, and that's it. So I will go ahead and quickly get this printed. So you can see that but just by importing two things, how efficiently we are able to perform the subtraction. So in output it is showing 2020 as the output. Now I'm doing it for years. You can do it for days as well as for months. So let's do it 2 days, and you can see that instead of 29, now it is showing 27 in my terminal. And it's not only about subtraction, you can also go ahead and perform the addition. So instead of minus, I have added plus over here, and then if I'm executing, you can see that if I'm adding 2 days in today's date, I will be getting 1st of October. So this is how easy it is to add and subtract days, months and year from your given date. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.